The Financial Literacy, Independence and Wellbeing Project at Symbiosis School of Banking and Finance caters to multiple stakeholders, starting with the students of Symbiosis School of Banking and Finance. They get a chance to interact with people from underprivileged areas and teach them financial concepts. Not only this, they also get a chance to interact with people who are interested in gaining financial literacy and want to know more about the financial concepts like mutual funds, insurance, systematic investment plans, and many more.
SSBF leverages innovative teaching methods and digital tools to enhance sustainability literacy. Through skits, quizzes, and role-playing, the project makes financial education interactive and engaging.
There has been a significant impact which can be seen with increased personal savings, better money management, and the awareness of banking services, which has also gone up. So the participants have also shown improved skills in preventing financial frauds and managing their budgets very effectively. And its effects have not only stayed with the individual but has extended to its families and also the community.
SSBF's initiative has produced numerous success stories, showing its potential for fostering informed global citizens. For example, a student used her budgeting skills learned in the workshop to manage her family expenses more efficiently. Additionally, the university housekeeping staff reported reduced financial stress and improved saving habits after attending the workshops.
SSBF's initiatives are designed for long-term sustainability and scalability. The initiatives are continuously monitored through follow-up surveys and evaluation. To scale the initiative, more facilitators are trained so as to expand the initiative to additional communities. By documenting best practices, SSBF ensures that the initiative is effective and adaptable to different contexts by promoting financial literacy and sustainability over a long time.
SSBF's Financial Literacy Initiative powerfully bridges the gap between knowledge and financial empowerment, especially in the rural areas. Aligned with UN's Sustainable Development Goals, this initiative is a transformative step in creating informed, resilient, and financially empowered global citizens.
गेल्या वर्षी आले ते छान झालं. ह्या वर्षी सगळं माहिती पडलं. ह्या वर्षी भी आम्ही रेकॉर्डिंग खातं केलंय. 1,500 रुपये बँकेत टाकतो. बचत गट चालू केलाय.
माहिती सुद्धा गेल्या वर्षी माहिती झाली होती. त्यामुळे मी बचत गट महिला बचत गट आणि पोस्टाचे पण चालू केलं. आणि ह्या वर्षी इथून पुढे काही नवीन बचत गट चालू करेन त्याबद्दल अजूनही माहिती मिळाली ह्या वर्षी पण.